Good morning, friends. Welcome in Gopinathji Mahila College. My name is Professor Ajay Dodia. BSM 3 Compulsory English, Unit 1, The Marriage Proposal by Anton Chekhov. Today we learn and discuss about the unit number 1, The Marriage Proposal by Anton Chekhov. A marriage proposal is a one-act farce, means a comic drama by Anton Chekhov, written in 1888 to 1889 and first performed in 1890. It is fast-paced by play of dialogue-based action and situational humor. A young man, Lomo, comes to propose his neighbor Natalia, but they both keeping on fighting on a various topic, and always both are neighbor, but remember sometimes they were fighting each others. Let's see the diagram. Let's see the diagram. Unit number 1, the marriage proposal. Tutsuboko was the father of Natalia. Natalia was a daughter of Tutsubo. Natalia was 25 years old and their neighbor's name Lomo 35 years old. So Tutsubuko and Lomo both are neighboring for last many years and both are quarreling sometimes in a different topics. So let's see the whole stories. The title, The Marriage Proposal. The marriage proposal is built on the theme of human vanity, which blinds a person even to his best interest and gets him in all sorts of troubles. It may take the form of pride in one's possessions or of distinctions in some span of life. It vitiates basic human relationships between both neighbors. This play has a thin plot. It has only 3 characters. As you know, I repeat that only 3 characters in this play, but very comic. Tutsubuko and his 25 years old unmarried daughter Natalia and their bachelor neighbor Lomo. Lomo is an ungentlemanly hero and Natalia is an unlady like a heroine. Lomo is a foolish bachelor of 35 years old. He is very rich. Natalia is a spirited but greedy. Here is you see the heroine of this play was very greedy and proud unmarried woman at 25 years old. Lomo intends to propose her, but they get involved in a quarrel first over a piece of land and then over a spirituality of their dogs. Natalia is supported by her father. Tutsubuko make Lomo to leave house, but on learning that he had come to propose her, Natalia realized the folly of getting him out of her clutch. She forced her father to call Lomo back. Lomo and Natalia quarreled again and again in different topics. The heat and excitement upset Lomo and he falls in a faint. Finally, the greedy and the practical father accepts his unexpressed proposal and everything ends happily for all. Now we learn analysis of these short stories. The Marriage Proposal is a humorous one-act play by Anton Chekhov. It is a farcical representation of greed. Also, you know the character of Natalia was very greedy, which conditions and controls human relationships. The one act play is full with a humorous characters and the humorous situations. Now different situations created in this play every time and people are laughing. First, humor in characters. There are only three characters in this one act play: Lomo, his neighbor Tutsubuko, and Natalia. All of them are humorous. Lomo goes to Tutsubuko's house to put a marriage proposal. Here, Lomo went to his neighbor's house for marriage proposal, but these things was forgotten by all the three men and they all are quarreling. He is very nervous at that time and he is unable to express it to his attentions properly. After many efforts, he has expressed it to Tutsubuko. Lomo is physically weak. He has a weak heart, continual palpitations, and always gets excited. His lips right, temple throb terribly. The worst of all is his sleep is really a walking drug stores. Thought he is 35 years old. He is unmarried. As you know, here is a point noted by the people. 35 years old, but now he was unmarried. He is unable to handle the situations of property. Now he was very unable to handle his property solutions. He forgets about his marriage proposal and starts quarreling about meadows with Natalia. And you see, he was quarreling with Natalia as a reason of the meadows. When the first quarrel is settled down, the quarrels again about the superiority of his dog, okay, whose dog is very superior. So both are once again quarreling and both forget about the marriage proposal. Natalia laughs at him by saying that he is proper to peel potatoes. He gets abused from both Tutsukubo and Natalia. Natalia and her father Tutsukubo also very funny characters. He is much worried about his daughter's marriage. He says that it is a difficult task to be the father of a grown up daughter. When he comes to know that Lomo has come for marriage proposal, he embarrassed him and kisses. But when Natalia and Lomo quarrel about widows, he favors Natalia and quarrel with Lomo. He himself ransacks Lomo from his house and himself brings him back. Natalia is also humorous and greedy characters, and Natalia was not good looking. She quarreled with him about when she comes to know that he had an intention of marriage. Natalia did not know about the reason why Lomo came to her home, and her father did not know and call to the Natalia. She faints and screams to call him back because she also wants to marry and at her healthy husband, but she again starts quarreling. Thus, these three characters are humors, create much laughter in course of this one act play. Let's see, here two times are major quarreling between them. First quarrel over their dogs, second quarrel over their meadows. So let's first quarrel over their dogs. When Lomo returns, the Natalia says that the meadows belonging to him. Then they talks about hunting seasons. Meanwhile, Lomo makes a remarks that his own dog Yugdi is better than her dog Utkadi, who has shorter jaw. Natalia says that Ugadi is a mongrel mongrel means has not decided its caste, while Otkal is a pure breed. Once again, Tutsuko takes the side of Natalia and claims the superiority of their dog. But as usual, Lomo has a palpitation, and again Tutsukubo teases him by calling him baby puppy, Viking drug, store full, and loafer, etc. When he faints, Natalia again screams. Let's see the first things dispute over the meadows. When Natalia comes to Lomo, starts talking with her, he starts speaking about his land. He claims that a particular place of land was given to the peasants of Tutskubo grandparents for temporary use. Natalia denied this and claimed that those meadows originally belonged to her family. But Lomo is ready to show the papers of the land. Thought Lomo is suffering from palpitations of the heart. He sticks to his claims and keeps up his arguments. Tutskubo supports Natalia. They abused each other's family. Lomo threats to use in court. At last, Tutskubo ransacks him out of the house and then speaks that such a proposal of marriage. Listening this screams to call him back. Angry, Tutskubo call him back. Thank you all of you.